Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by physically connecting the camera to your computer with a high-quality USB 3.0 or Tether-ready USB-C cable. Use the camera maker's recommended cable to reduce errors. Once connected, set the camera's mode to capture or tether and disable any sleep or auto power-off settings so the camera stays active. Then open Capture One and create a new session or catalog aimed at the shoot. Choose a destination folder and backing up option so files land where you expect. You next configure Capture One's tethered settings. Open Camera, then Tethered Capture, enable Live View if you rely on it, and confirm the camera is detected. Make deliberate choices for file naming, backup copies, and whether to ingest RAW or JPEG so your workflow is consistent. Adjust the color profiles, baseline exposure preview, and the exact tethered capture folder path to match your session. Once done, test a single frame to validate preview rendering, focus confirmation, and file. You now shoot through Capture One by triggering frames directly. Watch thumbnails and metadata appear in the browser to confirm success. While shooting, use Live View and focus tools to fine-tune composition and apply quick exposure or white balance adjustments to maintain consistency across the set. If something goes wrong, like disconnects or missing previews, try swapping the cable, restarting the camera, or relaunching Capture One. Also check camera firmware and computer USB power settings if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.